Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all the bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be heading into the garden to pick some Chinese cabbage so we can stir fry. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add some oil to our wok here. Okay, so my wok is nice and hot because it was heating up. And now I'm going to add in here, this is 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to saute this for a few seconds just to help to release some of the flavors. Okay, so now I have my washed Chinese cabbage here. I'm just going to add it in now. What I did, I just ripped them in half. As you can see, it looked like a whole lot, but once the heat hits it, it shrinks and you realize it wasn't that much. All right, so we don't want to leave this too long. So at this point, if you did not have a sauce, you can add a little bit of salt to this, and even some have even sprinkled a little bit of sugar as well. But I do have some homemade teriyaki sauce, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that in it, and then that's it. Right, time to come off the heat. Okay, so our Chinese cabbage is now completed. So I'm just going to take it out of here, place it in my bowl. You all can see the difference, look at that. We started with a whole lot, and now it has come down to almost nothing. So there you have it, folks, our stir-fried Chinese cabbage. As you can see, it's quite simple to make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.